Hi, this is Brian with the IT Capstone team. Uh, in this video, I'm going to take you through creating a new user. So, first thing you want to do is go to log in to the Joomla administrative backend. And once you do that, you get your control panel here, the Joomla control panel, and what you're going to want to go to is User Manager. Click that button. And now we can see a whole list of users that we have currently set up. We want to create a new user, so we're going to go over here to New, click that, and now we just have to fill out some simple user details. So I'm going to call this new user. Will be the name, and the new username will be new user. Enter an email address, and then enter desired password. Verify that password. Let me enter that email. I'm just going to enter a fake email here. And then you get to choose what group they are going to be a part of. The two main groups that we typically have set up um, for the Juntos collaborative site is registered users and then administrators or super administrators. Basically, difference is registered users here can only see the front end of the website. So that's why they're listed under public front end right here. So the public front end, the first uh, level of authority is registered. So that's the lowest level of authority over the website. So basically, a registered user can log in and they can see content on the website that only registered users can see. For example, the way it's currently set up, registered users such as tutors and teachers can see multiple uh, links in from the home page that could not be seen previously by just the general public. For example, the teacher's backend. If we go over to the website here, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here's the home site. Basically, you have your links here in the menu: search, events, calendar, photo gallery. And if I log in, I'll see some more stuff, some more links. We have teachers area, and now since I'm an administrator, uh, I can see the administrative backend link. Um, Typically, though, a registered user would just be able to see the teachers area, and any other links or content in the website that is has the access level set to uh, being able to see it as registered, only registered users being able to see it. If we go back to the back end here, the other user that you'd have to worry about is super administrators. Now that's listed under public backend. So basically, the super administrators have the access to everything within the site. They can edit front end. Basically, they edit the site from the front side of the site. They can also edit the site from the back end of the site, create new stuff, delete users. Basically, super administrators can do everything that can possibly be done with the website, and that is reserved typically for directors. This block user and receive system emails options, the defaults are no. This is more for editing users. If you were to edit user, you can choose to block the user temporarily without basically getting rid of their username. And and you would basically block access from the user to the site, for the user for the site. And receive system emails, that's basically um, should be held onto by only like one person, whoever is typically going to administrate problems with the site. So if there's any problems, you would want receive system emails on. Up here in parameters, you can select a backend language. Right now, Joomla only has installed English for the backend language, and then a front end language, whatever you prefer, English or Spanish. And the front end language also depends upon whether or not you have or you're using Zoomfish to upload the Spanish translated content. So if you have some Spanish translated content like the CEP website does, you can set your user preference to Spanish, and then when you log in, you'll by default be seeing the Spanish side of the website for whatever translation is available. Basically, you can pretty much keep everything else as the defaults, except for you might want to change the time zone, just so if you're, posting a message to the message boards, you'll see the correct time zone. So you want Eastern time, US and Canada, and you would select that, and then you would click save, and now you've created a new user. So here's my new user right here, and I should be able to, if I go to the site now, I'll log in under that new user. And there I go. I can see those menu items. And that concludes this video.